Hey, Rainbow Dash, what do you think you're gonna wear to the dance tonight?
I don't know. I just want something super colorful. What about you, Pinkie Pie?
I don't know.
Hello, I know exactly what everyone's going to wear. We're gonna look fabulous.
Well, I can't wait. It's gonna be so much fun. I hope I'm in a pink, magical, beautiful dress.
No!
Oh my gosh, Maleficent, what are you doing here?
Nobody can party when I'm around.
Maleficent, what are you doing here? I've come to turn you all into slime. Poof!
Nothing can save them now.
Oh my gosh! Maleficent, what did you do?
I turned those sweet, innocent girls who are always having fun into slime.
Why would you do that, Maleficent?
'Cause I'm sick of everyone having fun. There's nothing you can do about it.
Hey everyone, it's me, T. It looks like Maleficent turned the Equestria girls into slime.
Oh my gosh, I saw what happened. Hurry, we have to get the girls to the magic microwave and turn them back as soon as we can.
But wait,
the only way the magic microwave works is by making gumballs into presents. No one's ever tried to turn anyone into a human again. Well, there's a first for everything. Okay, Catboy, let's go. I'll help you get him to the magic microwave. Minnie Mouse, you must help us. The evil Maleficent, she turned the Equestria girls into slime.
What? What do you mean, slime?
I can't explain, but we need your magic microwave. Will you help us, Minnie?
Yes, of course. But I've never turned slime back into girls before.
That's okay. I have faith in the magic microwave. Come on, let's go, Minnie Mouse. Let's use the magic microwave. Will you help us, T?
Of course. Come on, let's go. We have to turn the Equestria girls back into girls. They can't stay slime much longer. Okay. Oh, all right, let's go. Okay, T. You need to help me put the girls into the magic microwave.
All right. First is first. Let's do the purple slime. I think this is Rarity. Let's see how this works. All right, here we go. Fingers crossed.
Oh my gosh, it worked!
It did! Are you okay? Oh my gosh, that was awful. That evil queen, she's horrible. Hurry, save my other friends. Okay, here we go. This is the pink slime. This must be Pinkie Pie. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh my gosh, it worked! Come on, let's get her out of there. Pinkie Pie, are you okay?
Oh my gosh! Thank you, Catboy! That was so awful! Oh, that Maleficent! Hurry! We need to change Rainbow Dash back into an Equestria girl! Or else we'll miss the dance!
Okay, we're on it. Hurry! I got Rainbow Dash! Let's get her in there and turn her back into an Equestria girl! It worked! Let's get her out of there!
Oh my gosh, Rainbow Dash, you're alive!
Oh, yuck! That was awful! There was slime everywhere! Thanks, Catboy, for saving me! T, thanks for your help, too!
Oh my gosh, where are the other girls? We have to get ready for the dance!
Here we are! Come on, let's go! We have a dance to get ready for! Thanks, guys! You should turn some gumballs into some surprises to celebrate! We're gonna dance all night long! Oh, that's a great idea, Rarity! Okay, let's see what we can do. Have fun at the dance, girls! Minnie, can Catboy and I use your magic microwave to turn gumballs into surprises?
Sure, you help those Equestria girls. You deserve some fun. I wonder what you're gonna get.
It's gonna be great.
Okay, I'll leave you to it.
Thanks, Minnie. I've got some gumballs. Let's see what the magic microwave turns these gumballs into. Oh my gosh, what do we have in here? We have a troll's egg. What do you think is inside? Could it be Poppy? Could it be Branch? What if it's a Berg? Let's see what's inside. It's candy! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so delicious. Maybe we can share this with the Equestria girls at their party tonight. Let's see what else we can get out of the magic microwave. More gumballs coming right up. Oh my gosh, what did it turn it into? Guardians of the Galaxy, collector's key rings. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's Groot! It's baby Groot. He's the cutest. I'm Groot. Groot! I can't wait to put him on my keychain. Let's see what else we can get. I think we have time for one more gumball change. Gumballs, gumballs. What are we gonna get? Oh my gosh, it looks like a minion. It's a wind-up minion. He's got a little teddy bear. Isn't he so cute and yellow?
Oh, he's just so cute. I'm gonna hug him and play with him all day.
Thanks, Minnie, for letting us use your magic microwave. You really saved the day.
Oh, no problem. Anytime.
That's all for Toys Pop. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up.